welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, how you doing? Just kidding. Maybe just a little. Anyway, if you are new here, I hope that you'll hit the subscribe button down below so you can join my sweet little community here. So today we are going to talk about a couple different things. So I am showing you some behind the scenes footage of me shooting, and I'm using a 360 Pro to shoot the behind the scenes footage because I made a little tiny mistake when I was doing the behind the scenes. I actually shot with a second camera to show me shooting, and I was just testing out the 360. I hadn't planned on using it for this video. I was actually going to use my other footage. However, my other camera, I had it set wrong and all the footage was blurry, so it's like useless. I'm outing myself here. But anyway, I do think that the behind the scenes footage does look kind of cool because it's from my perspective, because the 360 is a camera that you can wear on you. It's kind of like a GoPro. It's like really small. It's really cool. You know what? Actually, let me go get it and I will show you what I'm talking about. Hold on for 1 second. Okay, I'm back. So this is the case. It's really tiny. The case is tiny. Look, it's like a little Pac-Man. Okay, so this little guy, so actually this is how small this camera is. Oh my gosh, it's teeny tiny. So this is it. So that's the case and this is the camera. So you just wear this. It has a little plate that you stick it to and you can wear it like that. You can also put it on a selfie stick, like can do a ton of things with it. It's a really cool little guy. It's really easy to use. So this is what I used for the behind the scenes footage. And if you want a whole video just on this, let me know down below in the comments. I'm not really gonna go into a lot about this today. I'm just showing you the behind the scenes footage that I got with this. So, but if you want a review or to hear more about this little guy, drop it in the comment. Let's get going, and I'm going to share with you the behind the scenes, and I'll do a little bit of voiceover so you can hear more about what I'm doing. So let's go. I am so bummed that you don't get to see the full behind the scenes of this shoot because it was so good. However, I'm excited to show you one of my favorite poses, which will be coming up in just a minute. Here you can see I am shooting towards the window, so I'm doing kind of a dark and moody look. So I'm just exposing for the window light, getting the highlights on her. It just looks really beautiful. And then I kind of shoot all around. I'm getting some detail shots. And then I am also stepping back to get some wider shots. So I'm just doing a good variety. So here is coming up on my favorite pose. I really love this shot. You can do it with any body type. It's really beautiful. And you can also do a lot of details with this as well, as you'll see here. And if you have any questions, just drop them down below. At the beginning of this video, you saw a little bit of footage, a video of the client that I photographed, of just like a sexy little video, and I will link up here in the cards and also down in the description a link to a video on how to shoot video like this with just using your cell phone. It's super easy, and it's a great product to add on to what you're already delivering to your clients. And it's really easy to do just with your phone. You can do it with your camera as well, but I think it's a lot easier to use the phone just because that way you're not trying to switch back and forth between two cameras, or if you're have one camera and you're trying to switch back and forth in camera from film to video, it just makes it more complicated. So just having your phone and putting it in your pocket and then pulling it out, shooting a little bit of video, and then putting it back and then moving on with your shoot. It's really easy, but like I said, I'll link that so you can watch that video next. It's really a great video to check out. The other thing that I wanted to say is, if you like this video, I hope that you'll hit the like button for me, because that really helps me with the algorithm of helping Little Miss Algorithm push my video out for other people to see it as well. It's just very helpful. So I appreciate you doing that for me. And really, that's it. I hope to see you next Monday. I will put out another video then, and I hope to see you then. So thanks, guys. Bye. I was just too lazy to flip the friggin' camera. Oh my god. Ew. Oh. That's a wrap.